Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade garlic pickle. Begin by sterilizing jars and peeling garlic, then dry cloves thoroughly to avoid spoilage. Toast spices gently to release aroma and cool before mixing. Gently warm oil and vinegar to marry flavors, then pour over garlic and spices in the jar. Seal jars while warm and store in a cool, dark place for best flavor development and safety. Gather ingredients and tools before starting to keep the process smooth and safe. Use fresh, firm garlic and discard any soft or sprouting cloves. Measure oil, vinegar, salt, and spices with precision to ensure consistent preservation and flavor. Toast whole spices lightly to awaken their oils, then cool them before combining. Keep jars nearby and a clean cloth to wipe edges before sealing for a tidy final product. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes, storing notes, and following instructions hands-free in the kitchen. It fits easily on a counter and stays readable near steam and spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a cleaner cooking station. Now let's get back to the video. Work deliberately through each step to build flavor and ensure safety. Blanching can soften heat, while raw cloves retain punch and crunch. Layer spices and garlic evenly to distribute flavor throughout the jar. Warmed oil and vinegar help infuse aromatics and reduce trapped air when poured. Wipe jar rims, seal tightly, and label with date. Allow the pickle to rest for a few days for flavors to marry before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.